Hello, mathematicians. In this video, we're going to learn how to measure with inches and centimeters and decide which tool is the easiest to measure with. You're going to need one wooden block, one expo marker, and a ruler. Go ahead and get your materials and let's get started. Now, why are we learning this? We are learning this so we can compare measurements and choose the best tool. If I'm measuring something really tiny, I might want to use a tinier unit. If I'm measuring something that's kind of small, it might be easier to use a bigger unit. So today we're going to learn how to use the most appropriate tool. So remember that a centimeter is about the width of your little finger. So your little finger is about 1 centimeter across. And the length of a quarter, about this big, is about an inch. Now first we're going to measure this beautiful caterpillar that I found in my backyard. So for this part, I just want you to watch. First thing I'm going to do is line up my ruler and measure it in centimeters. And it looks like this caterpillar is a little more than 8 centimeters, almost 9 centimeters. Now I'm going to measure it with inches. I wonder if I'll need more inches or more centimeters. Let's find out. It looks like this caterpillar is a little more than 3 inches. So now I can look at my measurements. I needed 9 centimeters and I needed 3 inches. So I think that inches is an easier tool to use for this caterpillar because I only needed 3 of them. And I think that the inches, I needed less of them because the unit is bigger. And then centimeters are much, much smaller. Now, will you measure one with me? Get your block and your ruler ready. First, let's line up our ruler and measure in centimeters. This block is about 6 centimeters long. Now, let's turn our ruler around and measure it in inches. It's a little more than 2 inches long. So this block needs fewer inches because the inches are bigger than the centimeters. We needed more centimeters to measure this block. Now it's your turn to try it. Do you think we will need more inches or more centimeters to measure this marker? All right, take out your ruler and measure. Pause the video here and come back when you're done. All right, let's see if you got it right. So we line up our centimeter ruler and it looks like the marker is about 14 centimeters. Let's try it with our inches now. It looks like the marker is more than 5, looking almost 6 inches. So we needed fewer inches than centimeters because the inches are so much bigger than the centimeters. Good job, mathematicians. You are super awesome. Now you can measure with centimeters and inches. Great job.